Hello, Tom. I am happy to see you here today. The weather is so nice for the zoo.
Hello, Chloe. I am happy to be here too. This zoo looks very big and interesting to explore.
Did you bring the map of the zoo? We need to plan our route for the day.
Yes, I have the map right here. We should look at it first before we start walking.
We must decide which animals we want to see the most. That is very important for our time.
I want to see the large elephants first. They are definitely my favorite animals.
The elephants sound like a good start for our visit. They are always very impressive.
The map shows the elephant area is very far from the entrance. It is a long walk to get there.
That is okay. We have plenty of time to walk all day long and see everything.
The map also shows a special bird area. Do you want to see the colorful tropical birds?
Yes, I love colorful birds. They sing very beautiful and happy songs.
We can go to the bird area after the elephants. That path works well on the map.
We should buy some water bottles before we start walking. The sun is very hot.
That is a smart idea. Staying hydrated is very important in the sun.
The water shop is near the main entrance sign. I see it right here.
I will buy 2 large bottles of cold water. We will need them later.
Thank you. We must also check the time for the animal feeding schedules.
The schedule shows the lions eat at noon. We can try to see that.
Seeing the lions eat at noon sounds very exciting. I hope we are close by.
The lion area is near the center of the zoo. We will check the time later.
The entrance fee was quite high. I hope we see every single animal.
We must try to see as many animals as possible. We will walk very fast.
I am ready to start our adventure. Which direction should we walk first?
We go left first, then straight down the main path. Let's start the walk.
Let's go. I am excited to see the amazing animals.
Look, Chloe, the map shows this is the giraffe area. I see their long necks.
Wow, they are so tall and so beautiful. Their legs look very long and thin.
They eat leaves from the highest tree branches. They need long necks for that.
I see a small sign here. It says we can feed them special pellets.
That is very fun. I bought a small bag of food pellets at the entrance shop.
I want to give food to the tallest giraffe. I will hold my hand up high.
Be careful when you hold your hand up. The giraffe tongue is very long.
I will hold the pellets gently in my hand. The giraffe is coming closer.
Look how slowly they move their large heads. They seem very calm animals.
I love the color of their skin. They have beautiful brown and white spots.
Their spots are like fingerprints. No 2 giraffes have the exact same pattern.
That is a very interesting fact about the spots. They are truly unique.
I think the small giraffe is a baby. It stays very close to its mother.
The baby giraffe is so cute and a little bit clumsy. I want to take a photo.
I will hold the food bag. You can use your camera now for the picture.
I will zoom in on the baby giraffe's face. It has long eyelashes.
The light is perfect here for taking photos. The sun is behind us.
Did you know a giraffe sleeps only for a few minutes each day?
That is surprising information. They must be tired from being so tall.
Maybe they stand up to sleep. That seems very uncomfortable.
I think they sometimes sleep standing up. That is to protect themselves from other animals.
I have finished taking photos of the tall giraffes. They are amazing animals.
We should continue our walk now. The lions are next on the map.
Okay, let's go see the big, powerful lions next. I am ready.
I will lead the way using the zoo map. Follow me down the path.
Here is the lion area. This large glass window is very thick and strong.
Oh, I see the big male lion sleeping. He looks huge and very powerful.
He is much bigger than I thought he would be. He is the king of the zoo.
His mane is so thick and dark around his face. It looks very warm.
He is taking a very long nap on the warm rock. He looks very relaxed.
I hope he wakes up soon. I want to see him walk around the cage.
The sign says he can sleep for 20 hours in a single day. That is a lot of rest.
20 hours of sleeping sounds very lazy. I wish I could sleep that long too.
He needs a lot of rest because he runs very fast when he is hunting.
I would not want to meet this big lion outside the zoo. He looks dangerous.
No, the lion is definitely a wild animal. The glass must protect us well.
Look at his huge paws. They are massive, like large dinner plates.
I see his sharp claws hidden in his paws. They're ready to grab things.
The sign says the female lions do most of the hunting for the pride group.
That is interesting. The male lion just sleeps and protects the group.
I see another small lion cub inside the enclosure. It is playing with a toy.
The cub is very playful and small. It is still learning to be a hunter.
It is so cute to watch the cub play with the large rope toy.
We arrived a little bit early for the feeding time. It is not exactly noon yet.
We can wait here for 10 minutes more. I want to see the lions eat the food.
I will check the map again. We can look at the nearby reptiles while we wait.
Yes, the reptile house is right next door. Let's go look at the snakes quickly.
The reptiles are cold-blooded animals. They often move very slowly.
I like the snakes because they are quiet and very smooth. I am very hot and very thirsty from all the walking. My legs feel tired.
I am thirsty too. Let's stop at this colorful snack cart for a cold drink.
I see they sell different kinds of ice cream here. I want something sweet and cold.
I prefer a large bottle of cold orange juice. I need a cold drink very much.
I will buy a red strawberry ice cream cone. It looks very refreshing for the heat.
The ice cream looks delicious. Be careful, it will melt fast in the hot sun.
I will eat the strawberry ice cream very quickly. I do not want it to drip everywhere.
I will pay for the drinks and your ice cream. How much is the total price for the food?
The strawberry ice cream cone is $4. The orange juice is $3.
$4 plus $3 is $7 total. I will pay $7 to the vendor.
Here is my $4 for the ice cream cone. I will pay for my own sweet treat.
Thank you, Chloe. I will pay the full $7 for both items. This is my treat for you.
That is very kind of you, Tom. Thank you for buying my ice cream.
You're very welcome. We need energy for the rest of our long walk around the zoo.
My hands feel sticky from the heat. Do you have a small paper napkin?
Yes, I have several napkins in my pocket. Here is one clean napkin for you.
Thank you. The napkin is very helpful for wiping my sticky hands clean.
Where should we sit to enjoy our cold treats? There is a bench under that big tree.
A shady bench is perfect. The sun is too strong here near the cart.
We can relax there for 10 minutes. Our feet need a little rest before the next area.
I will tell you about the rhinoceros I want to see next while we rest.
Yes, tell me about the rhinos. Are they near the monkeys on the map?
They are close to the monkeys. I hope they are outside today.
They are very heavy animals. We must be quiet when we walk past their enclosure.
Our rest time is over. Look, Chloe, the monkey cage is right here.
I see the monkeys. They are swinging very fast on the high ropes.
They are so quick and energetic. They move faster than any other animal we have seen.
Look at that small monkey jumping from the big tree to the little tree branch.
That jump was very long. They use their long tails for good balance when they jump.
They are playing with a large red ball. They look very funny and silly animals.
Monkeys are very playful and smart animals. They like to entertain all the visitors.
I am laughing at how the small one is chasing the big one around the enclosure.
The sign says they eat many different fruits. They love sweet bananas the most.
Do you have a banana in your bag? We should not feed the wild animals.
I have a banana, but I will not feed it to them. The zoo has a strict rule against it.
That is correct. We must obey all the rules of the zoo for the animals' safety.
The monkeys look very happy in their cage. They have many ropes and trees to climb.
I like watching the way they use their hands like humans. They're very clever.
Their hands help them grab food and hold onto the thin branches easily.
We should check the map again. What is the last area we want to visit?
The last important animal is the large gray rhinoceros.
The rhinoceros is a very heavy and powerful animal. It has a huge horn on its nose.
The rhino area is near the exit gate. We can walk there slowly on the final path.
That sounds perfect. We can save the heavy rhinoceros for the end of our trip.
We will need to take one more photo for the final memory of our day.
I will take a photo of the sleepy rhinos. They are difficult to see sometimes.
We saw the rhinoceros. It was very big and gray, just like the pictures.
Yes, the rhino was huge and very quiet. I bought a small toy rhino in the gift shop.
That is a nice souvenir. It will help you remember our fun day at the zoo.
I had a wonderful time walking and seeing all the amazing animals with you.
I enjoyed the day too. It was fun looking at the map and finding all the areas.
Thank you for buying me the cold ice cream cone earlier. It was delicious.
You are very welcome. We needed that break in the middle of the long day.
We saw the giraffes, the lion, the monkeys, and the big rhino. We saw a lot.
We visited almost every major animal area. That was a very successful visit.
I am a little bit tired now from all the walking. My feet need rest.
My feet are tired too. It is time to go home and relax now.
The exit sign is right here. We should leave the zoo through this gate.
I will throw away the old crumpled map and the empty water bottle here.
The sun is starting to set behind the trees. The evening light is pretty.
It was a perfect sunny day for visiting the zoo animals.
I hope we can visit another zoo next month. There's a small one nearby.
That sounds like a great plan. I enjoy going to see the wild animals.
I will tell my family about the cute baby giraffe and the sleeping lion.
I will tell my friends about how fast the little monkeys can run and jump.
Thank you again for everything, Tom. You were a great guide today.
Thank you, Chloe. It was fun being your guide with the map.
Goodbye. I will call you tomorrow to talk about the small zoo.
Goodbye. Have a safe trip home and rest your feet.
You too. Goodbye.